Hey guys, let's talk about steamed fish. Jamaican style steamed fish is heavily influenced by Chinese cuisine. When the Chinese indentured laborers came to Jamaica with the abolition of slavery in the 19th century, they also brought along with them their own cooking techniques, ingredients, some of which are still heavy in the Jamaican cuisine. For example, they brought with them scallions, and scallion is one of the number one herbs that we still cook with today. The Chinese preparation of steamed fish involves the fish hovering over a pot of boiling water, and the steam would cook the fish in about 10 to 15 minutes. So essentially, what the Jamaican steamed fish is today is an inspired dish from the Chinese steamed fish, but of course, we had to incorporate our local ingredients such as the Scotch bonnet pepper, thyme, and all the vegetables, pumpkin, carrots, Irish potatoes, and the okra, which is one of my favorite things to add in steamed fish, and it goes on and on. So essentially, Jamaican style steamed fish has evolved into a one pot dish. And to finish off my steamed fish, I like to add tough crackers or Excelsior water crackers. I like to have crunchy crackers in my steamed fish, or it's so good with cream crackers as well. So this is the video for today. Let me know what you think in the comments. What do you like to add to your steamed fish? And I hope you learned something about where steamed fish came from. All right, bye.